Okay guys, so I tore apart my big aloe vera plant that I had in here, dumped everything. This was the main plant here, and then it had this secondary plant growing, and shooting off of that, I had 2, 3, 4, these 5 pups. So I really only thought I was gonna have 3 plants to deal with. I had no idea all these pups were bunched together. They look like one plant. So now I have to figure out where I'm going to plant all these at. It's time to go buy some potters. Maybe use some 5-gallon buckets, 2-gallon, 3-gallon buckets, whatever I've got. But yeah, so it's a good day. I turned 1 aloe vera into half a dozen or more. I've also got some of my old broken leaves here that had died, or I neglected watering it and I had to cut some of the leaf off. But I'm going to take these guys and clean these up, dry them out at the bottom a little bit, put some root rock powder or whatever it is on there, and plant those in the dirt, and hopefully get those guys to start up too, and have a plethora of aloe vera plants. So when I'm done doing that, I will do an update and show you guys how I have those situated and how I got the broken off ones to take root, and we'll have a nice collection of aloe vera plants to make aloe vera with, or yeah, so there you go.